Managing diabetes with fruit, the do's and don'ts. Hello and welcome to this informative video about one of the most essential topics for people with diabetes, fruits and their impact on our health. As we all know, eating a balanced and nutritious diet is key to managing diabetes, but it can be difficult to determine which foods are truly good for us. This is where fruits come in, and it's important to understand which ones will help us, and which ones could potentially harm us. In this video, we will take a deep dive into the world of fruits for people with diabetes, providing you with all the information you need to make informed and healthy choices. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. Before we get into the specific types of fruits, it's important to understand what diabetes is and how it affects our bodies. Diabetes is a chronic condition in which the body is unable to produce or properly use insulin, a hormone that regulates blood sugar levels. As a result, people with diabetes are at a higher risk of developing health problems related to high blood sugar levels. For those with diabetes, it's important to choose fruits that are low in sugar and high in fiber. Let's take a closer look at some of the best fruits for people with diabetes. Fruits to consume. Berries, such as strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries, are low in sugar and high in fiber. They are also packed with antioxidants and vitamins, making them a great choice for those with diabetes. Berries can help regulate blood sugar levels and promote overall health. Apples and pears are high in fiber and low in sugar, making them another great option for those with diabetes. They can help regulate blood sugar levels and keep you feeling full and satisfied. Citrus fruits, such as oranges, lemons, and limes, are low in sugar and high in vitamin C. Vitamin C is an important nutrient that helps support a healthy immune system. Citrus fruits can also help regulate blood sugar levels and provide important nutrients for overall health. These fruits can help regulate blood sugar levels, keep you feeling full and satisfied, and provide important nutrients for overall health. By incorporating these fruits into your diet, you can enjoy the many health benefits they have to offer while managing your diabetes. As we've discussed, fruit is a healthy option for those with diabetes, but it's important to remember that portion control is key. Even fruits that are low in sugar and high in fiber should be consumed in moderation. A good rule of thumb is to aim for 1 to 2 servings of fruit per day. 1 serving of fruit is equivalent to about a cup of berries, half of a medium-sized apple or pear, or 1 small orange. This will help regulate your blood sugar levels and ensure that you're not consuming too much sugar. It's also important to keep in mind that many fruits contain natural sugars, and it's important to limit your consumption of high sugar fruits, such as grapes and bananas. If you have a sweet tooth, try combining low sugar fruits with other healthy ingredients, such as nuts, seeds, and Greek yogurt, to create a satisfying and nutritious snack. Remember, portion control is key to managing diabetes. By controlling the amount of fruit you consume and making smart choices, you can enjoy the health benefits of fruit while maintaining your health. Fruits to avoid. As we've discussed, some fruits are better choices than others for people with diabetes, but it's equally important to know which fruits to avoid or limit. First on the list are dried fruits. such as raisins and dates, which are unfortunately high in sugar and calories. Despite being convenient and portable, it's best to limit or avoid dried fruits in your diet. Similarly, tropical fruits like mangoes and pineapples, as well as sweet fruits like grapes and watermelons, are also high in natural sugar and can cause spikes in blood sugar levels. If you do choose to enjoy these fruits, it's best to do so in moderation and be mindful of portion control. By understanding which fruits to avoid, you'll be able to make healthier choices for your body and manage your diabetes more effectively. And that's it for our guide on the best fruits for people with diabetes. By choosing fruits that are low in sugar and high in fiber and controlling portions, you can enjoy the many health benefits that fruit has to offer while managing your diabetes. Now, if you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a like and hit the notification bell so that you never miss a video from our channel. And if you're not already a subscriber, make sure to hit the subscribe button to stay up to date with all of our latest videos on health and wellness. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this video helpful, and we look forward to seeing you in the next one.